So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, Kirk here again from OptionAlpha.com, and welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we're going to be talking about covered calls and how you can automate this entire strategy now using our upcoming auto trading software. So I believe that covered calls are a great bridge between stock traders and options traders. It is, in fact, probably one of the easiest bridges to cross as you start transitioning from just trading stock to potentially trading more options, or eventually just options and no stock. So covered calls are a very simple strategy whereby if you are long 100 shares of stock, you are able to then sell a call option at or above where the stock is trading right now, collect a little bit of income, and reduce your cost basis on the way. We've done a lot of podcasts, a lot of training on this. You can just search our website at Option Alpha, just search for covered calls. There's lots of examples and trainings and case studies and research that you can check out. But the idea behind doing this does require that every single month you come back in and you sell that covered call against your position. So you may have a stock position for a couple months and you consistently have to come back in and sell a covered call against that position every single month. Or if the stock goes above your call strike, you put the stock and basically the strategy disappears. You have to repurchase the shares and then resell the covered call all over again. Well, what we're going to be doing with our automated options trading software that we're going to be releasing here is giving you the ability with very simple templates to set up your own covered call and to have this entire process automated for you. So all you have to do is be able to pick the underlying security that you want. You adjust how much of the security you want to purchase, how much stock. And then from there, you set the covered call level and let the auto trading bots basically take it from there. It will manage the position when it needs to manage it. If you have a profit target set up, or if you want to roll the contracts at a certain price point or a certain time in the future, it will all happen automatically. So the key for me on doing this is that if anybody is still trading covered calls out there, and we know it's a viable strategy, we know, in fact, we've done research on this and so many other people have done. So it's not just us that's confirming this, but doing a simple covered call, even on the broad markets, beats the S&P 500 time and time again. It beats it multiple years, less variance, less volatility in your account. So why not do it, right? And so for us, it's a way to build out basically an indexed covered call. That's the way that I think about it, is that if you want to be super, super passive in the markets and just invest in the indexes, which many people want to do, and that's okay. If you want to do that, why not use our auto trading software to actually do that with covered calls? Be super passive. You don't have to monitor it unless you want to. You don't have to interact with it unless you want to. And this way you can basically trade an indexed covered call with little to no interaction from you. And I think that's one of the coolest features that we have. And again, it's going to be a very simple template that you can go into once the auto trading software comes out and be able to just simply one click, clone the strategy template, enter your ticker symbol, enter your parameters, or use the ones that are defaulted there for you and let the strategy work for you in your account. So as always, hopefully you guys are excited about this. If you have any questions, let us know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.